The Reshape tool is really useful for getting the exact shapes that you want, and this is the button that you click on to get your Reshape tool working. Now at the moment I have got 4 points around this circle, and there's lots of things that I can do, but if I wanted to drag this out I could, like that. If I didn't want it to have a curved edge, I could change it to a pointed edge, and now it's a really sharp colour. If I wanted to add a new part to it, I could just click anywhere on the edge of that shape and just drag it out like that. So you can see that there's absolutely tons of options that I can do to make different shapes. And then you'll notice as well that you've got this little handle. There we go. This little handle here, and if I drag that in and out, I can get lots of different ways to shape this curve. So it can get a bit fiddly, it takes a bit of practice, but you've got a lot of freedom here to draw lots and lots of things. You can even delete points. So if I click on a point and press delete, and another one, press delete, like that, then I can completely change the shape. And often people are wondering, well, how on earth do I do a triangle in Scratch, because there's only these two shapes? Well, this is how you do a triangle. I've clicked on a square, I'm going to go to the Reshape tool, I'm going to click on that corner, and then I'm going to press delete, and now I've got a triangle, and I can move that array around and change the shape of the triangle, and I can make it have curved edges if I want to, and start being a bit more like a circle now. But you can see that there's tons of possibilities for things that you can draw in Scratch.